Hey guys, my name's Sonic, and welcome to a brand new series where me and my buddy Tails are in Roblox. And today we're...
Sorry for our bad voices, we're just acting. We're not the real Sonic and Tails.
Yeah, so... Yeah.
This is our real.
Yeah, this is our real
voices. The voices we're going to be using.
Yep, that's right. So, we're going to be playing through a couple levels in this game called Classic Sonic Simulator. It's basically our normal game, but except we have many different levels to choose from, and we can choose different characters.
Link down below.
Yep.
To the game.
Yeah,
make sure you add that, Sonic.
Yeah, I will. So, we are going to be playing through... Oh yeah, right. Here it is. So...
It does have cool music. It has City Escape.
Yeah, let me turn on my volume. Alright! So this one... Yeah, this is my house. I don't know why Tails decided like this, but... It's literally, hold on. If I can actually,
Yeah.
Well, you can't see, guys, but, it's basically, my house. It was my face. And, oh my goodness. Yeah, this literally is the fastest. And my favorite part is this.
Sonic really likes this.
Yeah, I do. Like, boing boing. Alright.
Yeah, I know.
Go fast! Go fast!
Oh, yeah, why don't we show... Oh, look, it's another Tails.
Oh,
Cool.
really? Oh no, it died!
Ow!
I have no idea. I just glitched out. Like, what the heck?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we gotta go fast.
Why don't we show you my house now?
Yeah, let's do it. Alright, oh. Ugh. There we go.
Oh, Sonic.
So this is the Tails house, because it has a picture of Tails. And then somehow, okay, here we go. We're going up, and over here we have all the boxes. Oh no. Wait, I can home attack. Can I do this in the game?
Sorry about that yelping. That was me.
Wait, okay. Yeah, somehow I can't home attack. What the heck? Usually on Sonic 3, I always home attack. Maybe not in this version.
Sonic,
Yeah?
I have to go walk my dog.
Oh, okay. Then I'm gonna have to do the review by myself then.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Alright, buddy. So this is Shadow's house, and I just died again. Good job, me. Good job, me. But, yeah. And up there, and up against the Faker's house, it's Rouge's house. You know, Rouge the bad. Yeah, I hate that girl. Yeah, but if this video gets like 10 likes, I will see, City Escape. Yeah, definitely. It will be so cringy, but if you want to, yeah, leave a like. If you want to. I like when I equip the speed shoot. Set me free. Yeah, I'm going faster than the speed of sound. Escape from the city. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Wait on. Oh! Alright. Yeah, come on. There we go. Alright, so let's get to the next level. Alright, so the next level is one of my favorites. Go. Okay, sorry, there's a lot of goes. I'm sorry. Alright, but what this basically is, well, it's basically a bunch of moves. Yeah. This was made by Tails himself. He's a really smart guy of doing this. And I don't know why he made this. Maybe, because of Sonic X? I don't know why, but if you guys know, leave it in the comments below. But yeah, that was, go, 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 go. I think it goes up shot.
Sorry about that, Sonic. I'm back.
Okay. I just completed the, go, 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 go.
Oh yeah, I made that one.
Yeah, I just told the people.
Ah.
Alright, this map is called, Untitled. Oh wait.
Well, apparently I'm being you, Sonic.
Okay. Oh, there's the dot level from the, what was it called? Oh yeah, Sonic.exe level. I'm sorry, but I literally made this level and I had to be Eggman for this. I'm sorry, guys. But it's just my, way. So, there is a little bit of, what?
The level's called, I can't remember. Wait, no, this is Knuckles' level.
Yeah, this is Knuckles level. That's Knuckles level. This is, Egghead's level.
Okay.
Alright, I completed the level.
Dot, dot, dot.
I think it should
Oh, you already completed it?
right there. Nope. When you complete your own level, it doesn't work. I should probably remember that.
There's some original stages.
And then we got City Escape Underwater, made by the handsome of himself.
You need to save you.
Don't worry. I mean, I don't know why you made this underwater. Oh no, I'm dead. I don't know why I'm dead. I'm so dead. But let's see here. Oh no, 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 no. Alright, gonna get the box.
I wasn't picking up control.
Oh, I did not know I can like. Alright, gotta do this. And you gotta use yeah, that.
Oh no, my bubble popped.
But not mine. You know why? Because I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. You did not ask.
Yep. Even though you can't swim.
Yeah. I don't know why Sonic likes waters my fear. I don't know why, but GG.
No, don't drown Tails. I mean, don't drown me.
Yeah. Gotta get the gold ring before I die. Get the gold ring. Oh, that was close. And I literally just, I see you right now. Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
Okay, why don't we show them the 3 green bullets?
Oh yeah, right. Alright, so, of course we're gonna go back to 1991, the first game that I exist. Well, you exist in Sonic 2. Oh my goodness, I literally just died.
I existed in Sonic.
You know what, guys? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Also, Tails, we have to do this in 15 minutes or less. Yeah, because I'm using the thing that only records to 15 minutes or less. So yeah, we have to get this video done quickly.
So how much longer do the video ends?
Let's see here. About in 6 minutes.
Yeah, we should wrap it.
Well, I don't think so, because we have loads of more time.
Why
But,
don't we outro this in house level?
yeah, but in a couple minutes. Right? When it feels like it's gonna be done, we'll just go to the house level. But,
Okay.
let's see what custom level we should do. Oh, the Chaos Zone! I never heard of that. Let's do it.
Chaos Collision?
I don't know. Oh, shoot.
By the way, guys, we will not be sharing our name.
Yeah. Oh my goodness! This is really hard!
I found it easy.
Wait,
Then again, I can.
I know.
It makes sense.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta have the Switch. I gotta have the Switch.
Eating Sonic.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, buddy, but I have to. This level's too hard.
The real Sonic will make me
Yeah, but
you know what the real face.
wait, what?
Cheating.
Wait, what? I'm still me? Alright, there we go.
Anyway,
Wait.
finish an outro.
Oh, shoot. It's only me. Well, I guess that sucked. Alright, I'm gonna do one more level, and then we'll wrap it up.
I'll be waiting.
And this is all, Rouge's thing. I don't know why, but...
How many more minutes do we have?
That was short! What the heck? Okay, we only have like 4 minutes, so let's just wrap it up.
Yeah, quick.
Alright,
I
so...
mean, you're Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh wait, hold on. I'm still you. Hold on, let me switch out my character.
Why aren't you me?
I don't know. I don't know why I'm you, but still.
By the way, Roblox names. Mine's Digimon Master.
Mine's Win Winner too.
Yeah.
So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and hit notifications bell so you never miss a video. And comment down below which Roblox game we should do next. Thanks for watching, see y'all next time. Sonic out!
Bye.